There is currently a scam going around that takes multiple shapes and forms, but it ends up with the same damn result, your hard-earned money being stolen. We've got a lot of ground to cover, so let's dive right in and start with the most hardcore scams on the planet. You see an ad promising easy money from simple tasks, but in the end, it's all a scam designed to take your money. So today, I am going to shut all of these scam sites from the internet so you guys don't be a victim of it. Watch till the end to see how I destroy their website and delete their website's existence. Now I'll show you how they make you a victim. Firstly, you see their ad, and you are required to fill in some personal information. Then you hit submit. Then you will be taken to Telegram or WhatsApp to contact their agents with random profile pictures and names. Here I have a conversation with the person the ad sent me. You are now met with a person with a blurry image from Google, and also a mobile number which is most likely from a temporary provider. After your first message, she'll flood you with texts about her fake job, like she's trying to land an Oscar for Best Fictional Career. And then she'll tell you all about her fake company that promises to make you rich, but surprise, it only makes her rich while you get nothing but empty promises. After all those yapping texts, they tell you to sign up on their platform and even throw in some fake free money like Monopoly cash, just to lure you in. But wait, there's more. To withdraw your winnings, you must first deposit about $5 worth of Nepali rupees. Then you'll be able to withdraw 1,400 rupees to your account. Sounds easy, right? Wrong. After the deposit, you need to get a VIP role on the site for 600 rupees to be able to withdraw that money. Collecting more money is impossible without depositing even more. And just when you're about to withdraw, they hit you with claims of account verification issues or system errors and other nonsense, leaving you with empty pockets and a lesson learned. It's like a pyramid scheme, where you only make money by getting others to join, and you only get a small cut, like 10% of whatever they deposit. It's a hustle where you're left wondering where your cash disappeared to. No need to worry now. I've shut down 12 similar scam sites before, and this lucky number 13 is next on the hit list. Let me show you how it's done. We're going to flood this poorly managed site with random register credentials until their database overflows. Even though it's unethical, this will prevent any new victims from signing up until we shut it down for good. We'll intercept their registration requests. Translate the curl commands into Python, and re-engineer the script to dismantle their scam operation piece by piece. We've collected a bunch of requests, but we're only interested in the part where it sends your registration info to their server. We'll cut out the rest and focus on that key piece. If coding isn't your thing, feel free to skip ahead to see how we use this script to disrupt their site. This part is optional, but adds an extra layer of precaution until the authorities shut down the site. Now we'll strip out all the extra parameters and wrap it into a function. The video is sped up to keep you engaged, and you can find the script code in the description, available for free. I've completed the code. It now sends random names and numbers during sign-up and prints the number of successful registrations. This is how it looks, but let's reduce the threads from 999 to 1 for a demo. So, it successfully managed to sign up. Now let's increase its threads and deploy it to Google Shell to run. We'll check back in a few hours. Now, let's head to fish.report and report this site. We'll be reaching out to these 3 providers about this scam site. There's a catch, though. There's no exact timeline for when the site will be taken down. However, since we've flooded their database, it'll be a headache for them to clean up until the providers eventually shut it down. We've sent 100,000 sign-up requests, completely clogging their data. Now we wait for the providers to respond to our email, and soon enough, their site will be closed down for good. Thank you for watching. If you'd like me to take down betting sites and sites like this, let me know in the comments.